babes. Okay, we are back to discuss the nominees for Brow Wow of 2023. And I thought it would be fun, since I am on that step right now doing my brows, that I would demonstrate how I use each one, as well as explain a little bit about each one. So I have my notes together and I'm ready to dive in. The first one is by Kosas. This is the Kosas Air Brow. What stands out to me about this formula is that the product has these little tiny fibers. I don't know if you can see them, but they mimic hair to provide texture and feel weightless on the skin. What I love about this is that with a single stroke, it creates volume, castor oil, which nourishes the hair naturally and make it lush. I love this product. The only thing I don't love is that it does have a tendency to dry out. As a matter of fact, this is my second one. I got the first one from the brand, but when I went to do the demo, this was already dried out. So I had to run out to Sephora and grab another one so that I can do a proper review. So that's the only thing that I don't love about this. So really make sure you hear that click when you close the product, so that you know that the product is fully closed and no air gets trapped inside. You will have a little bit of air because as you're pulling it out, you're exposing it to air. And when you push it down, you're exposing it to even more air. So just be careful and make sure you hear that click when you close the product. The next one is also a new product from the same brand. This is the Kosas Brow Pop Nano. What stands out to me about this pencil is that it gives you fine like hair strokes for a soft, natural look. And I'm gonna demo that right now. The spoolie, although small, is stiff as well, which I enjoy. And it helps to brush up the brows really neatly and sets you up for success on filling in your brows. I would say to get those fine like strokes, to just flick the brush upward. Don't press too hard or else you will break the pencil point, which is also why I don't spool it up all the way. I just give myself about that much. Really, that's all you need to complete your brows. And again, small like strokes will help fill them in a lot. This formula is also a clean formula, meaning it is cruelty-free, it's vegan, and it is hypoallergenic. So those of you who have allergies needn't worry about this product. But again, one of the things that bother me is when I first tried this product, I had put a little bit more up as the pencil point, and it felt like it was going to snap off. So I would just caution you to just use a little bit, about as much as I am using right now. That is truly all you need to go in and create your brows. And it gives you such a natural look to your brows, which I truly, truly appreciate and love. The last nominee for Brow Wow of 2023 is no stranger to this channel, although the color may be different. And that is the Dior Show On Set Brow. Babes, this is a past winner here on the BELLAmas Awards, but at that time I was using dark brown. This year, I've been using black, mainly because dark brown was sold out. And so I was like, let me try black. And I tried it, and when the dark brown came back in stock and I got my alert, I was still in the throes of using this, and so I didn't even buy the dark browns. I've been using this all year long. What stands out for me about this is the same thing that stands out to me about the Kosas. This has tiny microfibers which mimic hair. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe right there at the end, you can see a little bit of the microfibers right there. This is also a waterproof gel. So it comes off easily though with a little bit of micellar water. You can take this off. I use one of those cleansing gels that just start breaking down all of the makeup and shadows and waterproof mascaras that I have. So you can definitely use one of those and it'll make short work of you trying to take this off at the end of the day. This also has vitamins B5 and B8, and it's a very lightweight brow gel which styles, grooms your brows, and gives you a naturally full look with no stiffness. So it's not going to be crunchy at the end of the night. Exactly how you see the brows now, that's how my brows are going to be at the end of the night. Not stiff at all. And it really helps define the look. I think the nicer your brows are, the better symmetry you will have with your whole face. Even if you don't use any other makeup, your face does look pulled together with a nice eyebrow look. So that is it, babes, for the Brow Wow nominees. We only have 3 in this category. So as we did yesterday, please vote for your favorite product. You've seen me demonstrate all 3 of them to create this look, which I absolutely love. This is like one of my signature looks. Still looks very natural, just plussed up with now our 3 brow products. So now let's get on to those advent calendars. Okay, babes, first and foremost, let's do YSL. Day number 19 is right here when it's wrapped. Okay, unwrap it, see what we got. Ooh, it almost rolled away from me. Okay, so for day number 19, we got an essence. So this is Soft Polish Double Essence from their Pure Shots line of skincare. Okay, awesome. And here we have Cult Beauty. And day number 19 is right here at the top. Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. Patented 2-step peel with AHAs and BHAs. Helps smooth fine lines, minimize the looks of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. Awesome. And it's 3 treatments in here. Fantastic. Thank you. Finally, we have the In Good Taste Wine Advent Calendar. Day number 19 is right here. And it is another white. Balance of Powers white wine. So let's see what the tasting notes are for this wine. Okay, babe, so this will conclude our day 19 opening of the Advent Calendar boxes. We received an essence from our Yves Saint Laurent box. From our Cult Beauty box, we got these Universal Daily Peels from Dr. Dennis Gross. And for our wine advent calendar in good taste, we have a 2021 white wine from California. Tasting notes in this wine are tropical fruit, honeydew, and apple. All right. And just so you know, our advent calendar concludes on the 24th. So after that, we only have our 2 boxes to unbox, and that would be the YSL and the Cult Beauty box. So this box ends on the 24th. All right, babes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. You have now been Bellafied.